Easy now, girl. Just checking you over. Good weight. Looking healthy. Let's check this batch. Look for even marbling.
Right, this piece looks good, no discoloration.
Agreed. Moisture content is ideal for processing. Continue the inspection. This will make excellent soap.
Batch PF 24 for inspection.
Lids off. No visible contamination.
Weight matches. Any texture issues?
Firm and consistent. Looks good.
Logging it, clear to store.
Sample A prepared for FFA titration. Titration complete. Free fatty acid content is 0.45%. Temperature holding steady at 145. Let's fine-tune the pressure. Override engaged, pressure adjusting. All parameters are now in optimal range. Monitoring continues. Inserting sample for melting point analysis. Melting point determined at 42.5 degrees Celsius. Now for the saponification value, starting the titration. Titration complete.
Adding pork fat, the primary cleansing agent. Now for shea butter for a creamy moisturizing lather. Coconut oil for hardness and a fluffy lather. And finally, the moisturizing cream base.
Recipe says 200 kilos of refined pork fat. Scales at 0, ready to add. Pouring now. Watch the flow. Looks good, no splatter. 200 kilos confirmed. Next step. Mixture is stabilizing. Temperature climbing to 90 degrees. Exothermic phase confirmed. Reaction complete. Cooling cycle initiated.
Sample drawn for complete saponification test. pH is 9.1, within optimal range for quality. Safety and quality verified.
Checking stamp impression, clear and centered. Color consistency is uniform, no variations.
Pad this layer on it. Next case ready. Load up truck one, full pallets. Next pallet, center it. Good, seal it after.
This one's for sensitive skin.
I'll get the original.
Okay, let's get some soap.
I can do it.
Good job, sweetie. Now rinse.